Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey south on US Highway 61 as we enter the city of Wabasha, Minnesota. Wabasha had an estimated population of 2,473 as of 2019. We won't see much of Wabasha as the town lies to the left on the banks of the Mississippi River. Prior to around 1976, US-61 veered off to the left and went right through the center of town on what is now Hiawatha Drive and County Highway 30. The Zumbro River flowed right through the middle of Wabasha as recently as 1919, but has since taken a more southerly course that connects it to the Mississippi River about 7 miles downstream from the city. Minnesota Highway 60 to the left leads to the Wabasha Bridge that crosses the Mississippi River into Wisconsin. At the Zumbro River, we enter the city of Kellogg, which is off to the left. This is another example of where US-61 has been rerouted for a short distance to bypass the town. Previously, US-61 ran parallel to the railroad line across the Zumbro River, and part of that route is now Minnesota Highway 30, but there is no longer an automobile bridge across the river along the old alignment. Today, US-61 just scrapes along the edge of the city limits. The Mississippi River Lock and Dam No. 4 is located just to the east of Kellogg. On the right is the Whitewater State Park, featuring hiking trails along the limestone bluffs of the spring-fed Whitewater River. The park is known for its trout fishing, spring wildflowers, a sandy beach along the cold spring water, and a noticeable lack of mosquitoes during the summer. We conclude today's video as we enter the city of Minneaska. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.